This tutorial will show you how to grade a task in Electude. Electude's digital task sheets are not automatically graded. As a teacher, you have to grade them individually. First, navigate to your school's course. Now navigate to your content area at the left side of your screen. Click on the task you assigned to your students. This could be also in a course. This is the same link your students use to access their task. By clicking the deep link, you enter the Electude environment as an instructor. Now select the Students tab at the top of your screen. Click on the group on the left side of your screen. Under the group content, navigate to the task that you want to grade. The content could be organized under a course as well. Now click on the task name. Now you have an overview of the students who have accessed the task. The dark gray progress bar indicates which students have completed the task. Click on the student's name to open a task that needs grading. If you want to review the task, click on the Review Module button. You can see the student's entry by using the arrows in the tasks. Now use the white arrow to navigate back to the previous screen. Click on the pencil to grade the task by choosing a percentage. Click on OK to submit the score. The score will now be exported from Electude to your Blackboard gradebook.